Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about the Nodepay Season 2 airdrop and the subsequent processes. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and to join our Telegram channels. Let's get into the details. As you may remember, we finished Nodepay Season 2 and transitioned to Season 3. It was said that it would be listed on January 14th, and before the listing, we knew that we would find out how many tokens we would earn from Season 2. And as of today, or rather, I'm recording this video at this hour, but I will publish it tomorrow. I should say as of yesterday, it has been revealed how many tokens we earned from Season 2. As soon as it became clear, I had made a direct post on Twitter, and with that post, we actually found out how many tokens we earned versus... I had written a short sentence about this, but if we need to talk in detail in this video, as I wrote here, I earned 1540 Nodepay tokens from Nodepay in Season 0 and Season 1. Now, with the new update, when we click on the check airdrop section on the dashboard, as you can see, Season CTO Season 1 and Season 2. So we can see the total amount of tokens we earned from all seasons except for Season 3 all at once. And when you look at it, if I earned 1540 from Season 0 and 1 and the current total is 1569, with a simple math calculation we can determine that I earned 29 of Nodepay's own tokens from Season 2. When you look at it, the number actually seems quite low. So, compared to users who farmed points in Season 0 and Season 1, users who farmed in Season 2 earned a bit less. In fact, not just a little, we can say that they earned quite a bit less. Let's take a look at how many points I farmed from here. Let's take a look at this too. Where was it from here? Was it in earnings? Let's see if it will come up when I click here. Yes, it comes up when I click here. When you look at it, I earned a total of 174,000 in Season 0. I earned 920,000 in Season 1. Season 2, I earned 778,000. Points in both seasons are similar. I've totaled the points. When you look at the numbers, we can say that the points I farmed in Season 1 and Season 2 are almost the same. There's not a big difference between them. The difference in the meantime, at least from Shia's perspective, it's not very significant. What's its name? When you look at it broadly, it's not even 100,000. Anyway, there's not much difference. When you make a simple comparison, there isn't much difference. When you add up Season 0 and Season 1 and compare it with Season 2, that's what I'm actually trying to explain. And despite that, when I get 1540 from Season 0 and 1, I'm only getting 29 from Season 2. And the total number is 1500. It goes up to 69, and this is how the distribution has been made. I'm leaving the comment on this entirely up to you, but I can say one thing. Let me also show you Norway's own announcement like this. Those who want to read can check it out from here. When you look at it, the total supply will be 1 billion NOT coins, which will be their own coins. So at the end of the day, they might be trying to keep the supply a bit more under control. See, to keep the price higher. They might be planning to release it because there's also this. The early supporters actually participated in Nodepay Season 0 and Season 1, and we were thankfully one of them. As soon as Nodepay was launched, there was already a video about it on the channel. Thank goodness we caught this project early on. And so, to support these, they might have given out a lot of tokens, but in Season 2, not too many anymore. They might have distributed fewer tokens because the user came... I'm leaving the comment on this to you again. In order to receive the airdrop smoothly from Season 2, as we said before, you had to complete your wallet binding and medal claiming processes by December 31st. I can say that it would be good if you do it for Season 3 as of now, if you haven't done it yet. Additionally, Nodepay has confirmed that there is currently no claim page open. So there is no claim page. You can only see how many tokens you've earned. In the upcoming process, I think information about the claim stages, stake stages, and listing stages will start coming in. They said it will be listed on January 14th. Today is the 10th of the month. There's still no news from the exchanges. Let's see, we'll all find out together. Let's hope there won't be a delay, and let's get to the end of the video. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach me via the comments or the Telegram chat channel. I wish you all well. I wish you all a lot of profitable days.